Hi, I wanted to get ready and hopefully I can do it really, really fast. I've been working all day. I started everything off with the Elastoderm by Obagi neck cream. It's my favorite. It's expensive, I know. The Obagi Elastoderm Lift Up and Sculpt Facial Moisturizer and the Obagi Nucil. It's their new scalp serum for thin, fine menopausal hair, so obviously. And let's see how quick I can do my makeup today because I just don't have the capacity to do all the things. I'm going to start with this, which is the Too Faced highlighter. I'm just going to put a little bit under my eyes right now and kind of all over my face. This just gives you an underlying glow, if you know what I mean. And we love that. We're into that. So let's go ahead and get that onto the skin. And then for foundation today, L'Oreal True Match. I've just been reaching for it, you know? I just have. It just matches my freaking skin. That's why. So we're using True Match today. How fast can I go? Quick. So when you do your foundation, if you can, avoid your under eyes so you just don't want to pool up too much more product there. I might go over my eye only because it's kind of dark. And concealer. Too Faced Born This Way, obviously. I really need to go to Sephora. The Sephora sales event is coming. I should take you guys with me because we need to do it. Okay, let's put the brows. Let's get the brows going. Anastasia Brow Gel. Always. Get those brows up. We're gonna go in and blend out and pat out that concealer, which I've already let dry down quite a bit to give it more pigment. I like a really, really bright under eye. I know it's not everybody's jam, but it certainly is mine. If I have any extra, I might go right over this inner corner where I have a lot of darkness and blend things out a little bit. Any hyperpigmentation, I'll go over that. All right, now let's set the under eye with Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder, which is OG #1. I'm gonna pat any crinkles or wrinkles out right before I set it and then go in and set the powder. This one's almost gone. Okay, I'm gonna go in and just set that. And then anything else that is left on this little baby sponge, I'm just gonna tap. This is just gonna lock everything in, and what it's gonna allow me to do is put powder products over without disturbing things too much. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go in and do a really, really quick contour. And I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury little contour palette. Just gonna snatch the nose really, really fast. 2 little lines, 2 little shadows. I quickly went under my eye with the Makeup Forever HD Skin Matte Velvet Powder just to kind of brighten them up a little bit. And then I'm almost done with this House Labs bronzer, so just kind of, let's just see how fast we can move here. I really want a lot of blush today, so you know what I say about blush, it disappears. So let's go in. What blush do I want to use today? What blush would I like to use? Oh, let's get fancy. Let's use the YSL. Girl, why not? This color is to die for. I want to go heavy on it because it's such a beautiful color. Look at that. It's like coral. Let's blend her out. This color, I'm going to go over my nose. even up on my forehead here, because honestly, blush, it's just a thing, isn't it? Can't go wrong. You really cannot go wrong. Because blush is the one product that's going to disappear on your face the fastest. Every time. And for me personally, I want to keep on blushing all day. Okay, right now we're going to go in and do the brows really quick. And what brow pencil am I using today? I lost my billion-dollar brow pencil. I don't even know where. I'm sure they'll show up. So I'm going to go in with my Sephora collection. Actually, you know, I really want to talk about Sephora collection because I met a makeup artist this last weekend and she was like, Sephora collection's the shit. Now, I know that Sephora collection's the shit, but I know that people like a designer, bougie packaging, but to hear from a professional makeup artist that Sephora collection was the shit too was really nice. It's like confirming, because I'm not a makeup artist, even though I do my makeup every day, so to hear it from a professional, she was like, girl, do not sleep on these products. And I was like, I never have. So it was exciting to get her confirmation. But anyway, let's do those brows really quick. Pretty. And then eyeshadow. Natural Nudes eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to go in with Maple all over the lid. I said I just want very quick. And I don't know, I've just not been using brushes anymore. Who am I? Well, I don't have faux nails often anymore. And maybe that's why, because I can actually use them. Your fingers are your best tool. I'm going to go in with the truffle just on the outer corner for dimension and to bring my eyes up a little bit. We don't want a droopy eyes, especially in our 50s. And then that's it, man. That's it, man. We're just going to blend her out. Rough blend. Around and around, and then up, up and up and up and up. This might be my quickest ever. Okay, let's do a liner. Please tell me my liner's here. The tiniest little wing. This is House Labs. It's almost like a non-existent wing. You can even use a liner, like a gel liner. Kosas has a good one. Prime Chromatics, or whatever you have. I actually just ordered more liquid liner from Amazon. So, although I was telling myself that I wanted to try to use pencils more, but yeah, so I'm just gonna pull that and then perfect it a little bit. And this gets covered up with mascara, so I'm not too concerned. I just did the Iris and Romeo Peptide Mascara really, really quick. And I'm looking at my face and I look really pale still. To me, I look pale, so I'm gonna go in with, obviously, NARS. Over that blush that I put up there because I didn't really do a darker bronzer. A little there. And what I'm gonna do right now to melt everything in. So actually, I should wait until my mascara is dry. I want to do some Freckles, obviously, but I want to use this pen again because I forgot about this pen. This is actually a lip stain, a stain. So what I was thinking is if you have like a lip pencil stain, you can also use that as Freckles. Oh my God, I have a lip stain pencil. Damn it. This one from Summer Fridays. I'm going to try it anyway. So it's got a thick, but any of your, oh yeah, this works actually really well. Any of your lip stain liners, you can use those as Freckles, guys. Oh my God, what a great freaking idea. Why is it such a great idea? Just kind of go wild with them. I always go wild with my Freckles. Ooh, ooh. We're going to highlight the nose. Too Faced Born This Way. Oh, just a little line to straighten out a crooked nose, or kind of like an illusion of it. Today for blush, we're using the Giorgio Armani blush. This color is beautiful. What's the color? 30? It's peach. You know I'm a hoe for peach. Even more. As much peach as possible. Go crazy with it. All right. Then I'm going to spray down the face a little bit. So we're going to use the Iris and Romeo, the Reset, just to blend all the powders together. This stuff is truly incredible. I mean, it's just going to make you look so freaking glowy. It's not a setting spray. It's actually a hydrating mist. So you can use the setting spray too on top of this. It looks fucking amazing. Okay, oh my God. We're getting there. All right, lipstick. I always like to put a little bit of balm on my lips only because they're dry AF. Citizen and Bali. It's either Annie and Lawless or Citizen and Bali. These are my lip liners. I think I'm going to use my ones from TikTok, Amazon. Let me sharpen it. Let's overline the lips. I only overline on the Cupids. I think if you overline anywhere else, it looks like you're getting a little, it's a little offy, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm going to even out my lips. The bottom is so uneven. So yeah. Let's go in with a natural liner. Something more the color of my lips by Summer Fridays. Right in here. That's kind of fun. That needs to be sharpened. Pencil. Woo! I talk about this lipstick so much. This is Laura Mercier in Coral, and you can't find it anywhere. So if anybody can dupe this color, see if I can you dupe that color? Let me know. It's like Coral. OG. Oh, I'm going to add a tiny bit of NARS gloss on the Cupid's bow, and that's it. I don't like it all over. And then we're just going to go and matte out those areas that are too dewy, too glowy. Okay? We want dew, not like greasy looking. So I always do the parenthesis lines and forehead. Just going to matte all of that out. About right now. That is what I am talking about. All right, let's just pat that out. So good. Oh, I love this look. This is an extra blushy coral look. And I gotta blow out my hair. Hair is feeling good. But that's the look. What do you guys think? I love it. Did I do that in 30 minutes? A hot diggity goddamn.